Welcome back. Today we're looking at a product from one of my all-time favorite brands, Pitaka. They have a watch strap for your Galaxy Watch that'll be a conversation starter and might even turn a few heads. But do you need a carbon fiber watch strap in your life? Let's find out in this week's review. In the box, we have the instruction booklet, 4 spring bars, 1 pin over here, and then here it is, the main event, the Pitaka carbon fiber watch strap. Let's get into what I like about this watch strap. Many people find black and grey appearance attractive and unique with an understated sense of style. Let's face it, when it comes to black, that color will never go out of fashion. As for durability, if you sweat or spill a drink, you can easily clean the carbon fiber Galaxy Watch band simply by wiping it. This is because the 100% carbon fiber material makes the strap very durable. Pitaka designed a patented magnetic fastener on the carbon fiber Galaxy Watch band, making things much easier. When the two ends of the strap meet, they magnetically connect and automatically fasten, just like magic. And it's patented secure magnetic clasp, and that basically means it's a new invention. Look at this beautiful, sweet motion as it just gets a little bit closer and then boom. And if you're wondering if it's going to slip off throughout the course of the day, no, the magnets in here are pretty strong. As you know, with other Pitaka magnets, those things are solid. The total length of the carbon fiber Galaxy Watch band is about 178 millimeters, which is the average size of a man's wrist. If you happen to have a smaller wrist, simply use the provided pins, ping, 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 these right over here, to remove the links. Let me tell you a little bit about this carbon fiber. It's not just your average carbon fiber that they've used to make this strap. This carbon fiber is called 1K, and that basically means it's a rare type of carbon fiber. It is both lighter than other fibers and it's smoother than the large weave. The 1K fiber is exclusive and rather expensive, so it's the best of the best when it comes to carbon fiber. It's the top gun of carbon fibers. It comes with a 7-day return policy. So if you don't like it, you can return it and get your cha-ching back. Alright, let's move on to the cons. What are the things that might need a little bit of improvement? Well, firstly, it only comes in one color. So pairing it with a vibrant color watch might not look as good. You know, the black on black is really going to be classic, but as soon as the body of your watch is a different color, might not work. Then there's the heavy price tag. Yes, brace yourself. £89. Yes, I know it's expensive for just a strap, so many people could think that's a deal breaker, they're out. But if you don't mind paying that little bit extra for quality, you could look at this as a bit of an investment. This is a high quality product. Before we get to the conclusion, do us a favor and head on over and hit the like and subscribe button. And while you're there, you may as well hit that bell icon as well. Go on, do it. And if you are a carbon fiber fan, check out our links below where you can see other Pitaka products like the MagEZ slider, one of my favorite Pitaka products. Amazing. Go on, check the links below and click on them. Now, in conclusion, this strap is great. I like the look and the design, and the lightweightness of it makes it feel as though I'm not even wearing anything. The strap buckle is a breeze. I love the fact that it comes with all the fittings you need for both the small and the large watch sizes. The strap was very hard to adjust to a point that I found it was just too difficult, and it shouldn't be this difficult just to change the sizing. Expensive is another problem. It is expensive. However, it is made from high quality materials. The best of the best carbon fiber is being used here. So the positives way outweigh the negatives. All in all, it's a good strap. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. Carbon fiber. What an amazing product. I wonder what other fibers one gets out there that could sort of match up to it. Probably none. Carbon fiber. Amazing.